This is a question of October 2004 and paper 1. Question is sketch and label on a same diagram graph of this and this and for interval 0 to pi. Now some students confuse this is a pi means what, sir? How deal is pi? Okay, do one thing. Let's try to make it till 2 pi. 2 pi means 0 to 360 degree. Okay, then I will erase half graph. At least you understand what is going on. So this question, I'm writing both equations, but I'm writing equation in different way. What is the way? Have a look carefully. First of all, I'm writing axis. Axis is 0. So 0 plus 2 sine x. And here axis is not mentioned. 0 plus cos 2x. For your knowledge, this 0 is called axis. This 2 is called amplitude. This amplitude. And here we have 1. So 1 is called NOC, NOC number of cycles. Same, I repeat, the adding part, look at here, the adding part is axis. So this is axis. And here no number before, of course, so 1. So this one is called amplitude. And this 2 is called number of cycles. I believe you're understanding. And now I'm going to make it. So inshallah, I believe you will get the concept. And let's start. This is a 0. How come? Because the middle line always called axis, and axis is 0 for both graphs. So 0 is here. But important thing, for this graph, amplitude is 2, and for this graph, amplitude is 1. So highest amplitude is 2. So 2 means 1. This is 2. And same approach, this minus 1. Let me write again. And minus 2. So let's start. I think so. And this division, whole graph, I'll divide into 4 categories. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here I'm showing you, okay, because he said in 2 pi, you see 2 pi or pi, single pi. I will write 360 for me and 2 pi for examiner, because he talked about the language of pi. So show to examiner 0, pi and 2 pi. I mean 0, 180 degree, 90 and 270. Repeat again. 0 plus 90 is 90, 90 plus 90, 180 plus 9, 270 plus 90 onwards. So all of you familiar, you can use your calculator. As I said before, here's the number of cycle is 1. So 90 degree gap. This 0, what is the angle here? 0, plug in here. When you plug in here, so graph will come in this form. Look at here. It will start from 0. When you plug in 90 in the place of this, sorry, so it will give us 2. At 90, we get 2. When I plug in 180 in the place of this x and type in calculator, I will get again 0. When I plug in 270 in the place of x and type in calculator, I will get negative 2. When I plug in 360 in the place of x, I get this one. So I'm going to sketch. Some students sketch like this. Wrong. It is not a straight line, curve. So this. So sine curve is done because it mentioned here 1. So means 1 cycle in 360 degree. Now what is this number? 2. So it means I have a 2 cycles in same 360 degree. So let's start. Sorry. And I will do what? As we have a 2 number of cycles, and I taught you that 90 divided by 2 give you 45 degree gap. So I will divide this whole region 45 gap. For example, where is 45? 45 is here. And this is 45 adding, I got 90. Again 45 adding, I got 135. Again 45 adding 180. Again I got 225. Again I got 15. So now I'll type all these angles here one by one. For example, when I plug in 0 here, students, what will happen? I will get 2. I get 1, sorry, 1. Why 1? You can type in calculator even. When you plug in 0 in the place of this one, so cos 0 times 2, 0 times 2, 2. Okay, or 2 times 2 0 better. Okay, and it gives you 1. So and when I type in calculator 2 into 45, it is giving me 0. So at here 0. And when I type 90 in the place of this 2, I give assurance, I get -1. If you don't believe me, you can type parallel with me and you're getting answers match. You can see, okay, -1. At 135, it come back again here. Add 180 degree. When I plug in 180 degree here, I get 1 value back. One cycle is completed, and don't join again some like that. Wrong. So this, this sine curve, sorry, cosine curve. And same curve I will make again here. Why? Because 2 cycles are there. So if I plug in 2 to 5 in the place of this graph will come again down. At 270 plug in here, I get again -1. So I mean this. And then 315, and then, but problem is that he asked us to till pi. Pi means 180, but I made for 360 degree, just sake of your understanding, because because naturally, for 360 degree, this is a 2 cycles. You can see the blue curve, and is 1 cycle. So what I will do, I will take a razor and I will erase this all, and stop this much stop only, and I hope so. You got the idea very clear. So we have to stop here until pi or till 180 degree. So this is a final sketch. This much you have to show examiner, and you will do an exam with a pencil and then erase it. So first part, 4 marks done, alhamdulillah. Part number 2, state the number of solutions of this equation. So my question from you, from where I got this equation? Check it. Is this same? 1 minute. Is this same? Correct. Is this same? Correct. Actually, both y and y equal to each other. And you know it very well, y and y equal to each other means where they intersect. So let's see now. How, and he asking number of solutions. He's not asking solutions, number of solutions. And look at, check it. Now part 1 is done. Part number 2 I'm discussing now, and they are intersecting at 1 point and 2 points. So 2 solutions we have. He did not ask us that give me solutions. So I hope so. The point is very, very